A medium has revealed what she believes are signs Gabby Petito is sending from the grave after being strangled to death on a trip with her fiancé Brian Laundrie. The psychic medium, who communicates with souls on the other side exclusively, told The Sun that Gabby was showing many signs of forgiveness and compassion. They added, she has forgiven what has happened and understands or is at peace with the fact that she's not going to be brought to justice. The medium, who wishes to remain anonymous, made it clear that they had not been following the case closely but was able to communicate with Gabby's spirit easily through pictures, as the 22-year-old showed she has a lot of spiritual energy. So what I was seeing is that she's going to be appearing in a dream for her mother, and it looks like that there's going to be some visitation, but mostly I was seeing a lot of butterfly symbolism. So there is a connection to butterflies, and she also was showing me a cat, the medium told The Sun. Gabby was found dead in Wyoming on September 19 after she vanished on a cross-country road trip with Laundrie, who had returned home to Florida without her 2 weeks earlier. The medium revealed Gabby was concerned about her grandfather's health and how his health was starting to deteriorate. She was showing me that something is going to happen that maybe has not happened yet, they told The Sun. The revelation comes after Gabby's family held a press conference to demand justice when her body was found. She's always with us every day, she's giving us signs, Gabby's stepfather Jim Schmidt said. One of those signs was a rainbow that Jim said helped lead authorities to Gabby's body. It's wild stuff, Jim told Dr. Phil last week. When they started with the grid search in the area where she was found, it had to be called off at the end of the day because of the weather. But as the weather started to break, a rainbow was over the area and stopped over the area where she was found the next day. The family also believes Gabby is sending them signs through chipmunks appearing to watch them. A chipmunk was following me along the path where I went out to where the body was found, Jim said. And when I was placing the rocks to make the cross, a chipmunk came out from a hole and sat there and watched me. I thought maybe that was Gabby watching me. The family also believes Gabby is sending them signs through chipmunks appearing to watch them. A chipmunk was following me along the path where I went out to where the body was found, Jim said. And when I was placing the rocks to make the cross, a chipmunk came out from a hole and sat there and watched me. I thought maybe that was Gabby watching me. Gabby's mother Nicole Schmidt said a third sign came when she was driving. She said she looked up and noticed a car in front of her had a Wyoming sticker and the letters GBZ on the license plate, which she interpreted as Gabs. It's hard to put into words, but it means a lot to me that she's touched so many lives already, and it's only weeks into it, and I'm so proud of her, Nicole said.
Exapure is a highly effective, safe and natural weight loss supplement that utilizes 8 scientifically proven ingredients with clinically backed studies and a tropical loophole that dissolves fat overnight by optimizing low brown adipose tissue levels. Exapure is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It is the only product in the world with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants designed to target low brown adipose tissue, BAT, levels, the newfound root cause of your unexplained weight gain. When the BAT levels go up by even a small amount, it can cause a major increase in the body's calorie and fat burning capabilities. Besides, BAT can help increase energy levels. With that in mind, Exapure aims to activate metabolism and energy by increasing the levels of brown adipose tissue within the body. Here are the top features and benefits of Exapure. It's a 100% all-natural weight loss formula. It uses plant-based ingredients. It's available in easy-to-swallow capsules. It's non-habit forming and contains no stimulants. Exapure is non-GMO. It uses science-backed ingredients for weight loss. Exapure is a highly effective, safe and natural weight loss supplement that utilizes 8 scientifically proven ingredients with clinical